Good morning, Woodlynde. Today is Monday, May 4th, and our first official week of May. I love the month of May because I love the spring and warm weather that comes with it, and I hope that this week kicks us off in that right direction. This morning, I wanted to share with you a note of gratitude and thanks for the amazing Woodlynde colleagues that support our school each and every day. And during Distance Woodlynde, they've been doing that more than ever before. The amount of support and individualized attention that is being given to each student and family each and every day is amazing. And I'm so impressed with the hard work and all of the dedication that's being put into their program from our colleagues each day. And so I want to say thank you. This week is the week we would traditionally have some special activities and notes of gratitude if we were at school to thank our colleagues for all they do for us every day. And so I want to make sure that we continue with that message of gratitude this week to our colleagues. And so if you'll join me, I hope that you will send me for our theme of the week for social media a note of thanks in your own special way for the colleagues that have supported you and your family as we have gone through this school year, but also through Distance Woodlynde specifically. So please send me your notes and please send me your photos, and I will make sure that we get those posted. And throughout the week, there will be additional moments where we stop to thank our colleagues for all of their hard work and dedication to our amazing school. I hope you have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you soon.